Hiya! Hello cowards, welcome back to the most epic, most scuffed stream. Today is probably not too exciting, we're just gonna do some bug fixes. Like I alluded to yesterday. Today's gonna be a short boy stream. Got some stuff I gotta do later today. Let me just start some music. Which you won't hear, but I will, and that will make me code good, or something to that extent, I suppose. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Oh damn it, you can see this little bubble here. That's so unintentional. Alright, let me just open the RAM app right away, because I think we're gonna need that today. Got some tea with me, as always. It's boiling hot, so I ain't gonna slurp it for a while. So y'all slurp haters can have something to be happy about for a little bit, I guess. We want the Norveg folder. We want the Super Mario ROM here. We're not gonna go full screen. We're just gonna do that. Just put it somewhere on the screen where we can use it. I guess this isn't half bad. Just put it like that. Like so. I kind of hate how that looks. I'm just gonna have it like this. Okay, so we made a to-do list. Last thing we did yesterday. So to do dynamic sprite system implement. We still don't have any information on this. I'm guessing we're gonna use some version of DSX, which means we will have to work with 32 by 32 blocks. But also we can't really implement this until we actually have graphics to work with. So this is gonna be actually let's split this. Short term, and then we put this under long term, which isn't like terribly long term. Like obviously this project is supposed to be completed at some point fairly soon, but this is like longer term than this at least. Haha. So. One problem we have. After the boss uses the jet boost, he is not synced with the camera anymore, meaning that it looks like he bobs back and forth 1 pixel. This is due to subpixel not aligning with the camera subpixel. This has turned out to be pretty difficult to do something about. I don't really know how we're gonna do it, but we'll figure something out. We'll need some sort of yeah, I don't know what we need. Probably what we can do is while the boss is waiting after the jet boost, let me just get this thing open to show it. Like, so let's see if he jet boosts. Do it, please do it. Help me out one time, big guy. Come on, Johnny boy. Do it, Johnny. Do it for daddy. There. Okay, so here, when he stands still here, like during this time, we can just every frame sync his subpixel with the camera subpixel, and that should make it so that when he starts moving again, he is aligned with the camera instead of this. You see here, if we do frame by frame, you can very clearly see that he's bobbing back and forth like this. Because he's moving at the same speed as the camera, but his subpixel is not aligned. So that's a little janky. Then we have the more serious error, which is the terrain generation. Sometimes, this seems quite rare, but I have seen it happen at least 2 times. A block gets generated on the middle of the screen. And we can't see this because it's invisible. We only see it if the boss runs into it or we touch it. And that's not supposed to happen, so we're gonna do something about that, because it's really stupid for invisible blocks to just randomly be generated on the screen. We don't want that. So this is our like main goal today, fix this, and we're also gonna try to fix this. And we're probably gonna do this first because I just figured out a way to to do it. It's real simple. So let's go on. Where do we go? We go on walk, I think, and we look up the cooldown timer for the jet boost, which is probably under attack, so it's up here actually. Yeah, here, jet boost cooldown. Here. Here, actually, we want to make sure 14.4e, I do remember this because we had to reference it so many times yesterday. Oh, wait a minute. This is clearly not working. Let's get rid of this stuff. Let's get rid of this stuff. Well, it's going into X sub at least, that's correct. Here. We make it, we're probably wasting something here by saving this here. Yeah, we're not using this anywhere. We're not using this anywhere, so I guess we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, let's see if this worked. It should, if I'm correct, it should work. And as you know, I am always correct. Okay, so he do be boosting. Here he stops. His subpixels should be aligned with the camera subpixel. And it didn't work. It could be that we have to invert it. We don't know. Maybe this just guarantees that it will be wrong, right? Could be that we have to invert it. Let's try that. Here. Like so. Maybe that's what we have to do. Let's try that. Flip the subpixel. So his subpixel would be the inverted camera subpixel. It's working just fine here because it's stationary. It still doesn't work, huh? I really thought that would work. I mean, it's due to the subpixels, right? It's due to the sub... Oh, wait a minute. This only happens, of course... Ah! This only happens if he rolls jet boost. Of course we can't put the code here. Of course we can't put it here. So, I guess... Oh boy, I guess we have to put it somewhere else. Maybe somewhere here? On 0 rather than on 8? Like so? Maybe? But wait, this runs while jet boost cooldown. No, while the jet boost is happening, right? I don't know. I think it does. So here it's working just fine. It's still on 0. So he's unaligned again. He's desynced. Fucking damn it, dude! This shouldn't be so hard. Oh yeah, we got this jank again. Okay, let's see. Does this always happen now? Yeah, it always happens. So what if here we flip it? I feel like this should work. Like one of these combinations should result in this working, right? It really should. So blast forward or whatever. Okay, stupid fucking bomb. Okay, let's see. Yes, it works. It actually works now. Okay, so we fixed it. That was pretty easy. So we did exactly what I said we were gonna do, and it works. Let's see if we can blast off again. I sure hope he's not locked out of it again. He really shouldn't be. We're not checking his position anymore to determine whether he can jet boost. It doesn't seem like he's jet boosting anymore. It doesn't seem like he's jet boosting. Oh my gosh. What is his problem, dude? What is his problem? Now I can't jet boost anymore? So apparently this never hits 0 anymore. This never hits 0 anymore. Or did we just get unlucky? We could get unlucky, I guess. We compare to 1E. This overwrites the next address, I don't think that matters. Oh, the green star coin can't wait. Oh, we don't care. Let's just overwrite it. So his position here is actually bobbing between 28 and 29. Okay. So, oops. Maybe we just got unlucky. I don't know. That could happen. It's extremely unlikely, but it could, I think. So now it's bobbing between 29 and 30. So probably what's happening is we're back in the thing that ended up happening yesterday, which is peak keeps bobbing between 0 and 8, but we can't tell because of the subpixel boost. So probably we want to make sure here jet boost cooldown here. We only set it once, okay? We only set it once. I don't set it to 80. Wait a minute, do we? No, wait, we always set it. But we put this stuff here, right? B-E? B-N-E. Okay, so here, we put this here. If it's already set, we just go here. If it's not set, we sync. So it only syncs once, and that should lock us out of the like weird glitch there where it keeps bopping between, right? Also, we could tell that he was 1 pixel further to the right. Before there was only 1 pixel between him and the camera border. Okay, so now he's half a pixel too far back. Oh my goodness. So does this even do anything? I don't know. I'm so confused at this point. Oh. Wait, that didn't make any difference. Yeah, it does. He's like further ahead now. Okay, wait, I have an idea. Instead of all this complicated shit, and yeah, this is like the complication stream, right? We're only doing complicated, dumb solutions here. If we go to jet boost here, I think we're resetting the subpixel. What if we just set it to 8? What if you do that? Shouldn't that just reverse the thing that happened before? Here, he boosts forward, whatever. We camp on him. It doesn't make a difference. It doesn't make a fucking difference. How does that make any sense? How can this not make a difference? Oh, I hate subpixels. I hate subpixels. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Alright. So what can we do about this? So every time I think I solve it, we just end up in the like weird bobbing position where it goes between... where it keeps bobbing between 0 and 8. So why doesn't this make a difference? Doesn't it matter which one it starts with? So I guess what we can do... Okay, I have an idea. We're not gonna sync for shit. We're not gonna sync. We're not gonna sync anything. What we can do... Maybe this is a dumb idea. I don't know, actually. So if it's 1E or greater, it goes to 0, right? If it's 1D, it goes to 8. If it's greater, it goes to 0. But if it's less, it goes to 10. Huh? Let's try it. This should make it always like catch up to the right position, right? That's janky. Because now it's always desynced, but it always ends up in the right place, I think. The problem... The problemo, I guess, is that it doesn't get synced with the camera, and that causes issues. Maybe we'll also allow 1E for 8. Maybe we'll also allow 1E on 8. That doesn't make a difference. Fucking damn it. So why is it reaching 10? Wait, it's bobbing into 0 again? Let's so what if on everything except 8? No, wait, I should eat lunch. I should eat lunch. This is sort of how it always is for me when I'm coding. The stuff that takes the longest to do is useless stupid shit like this. Okay, so now it's bobbing between 8 and 0 again. Stop! It's bobbing between 8 and 0 again. Like, it goes too far. 8 goes too far. So this causes it to go to 1E for the next frame. Like, the really difficult thing about this is that the camera isn't, like, synced. Like, it doesn't move at the same time as the sprite. That's what's really causing this. This doesn't make any sense. Why would it try to sync there? Okay, yeah. So cool, boss-chan, so cool. I don't know, maybe this is actually the way to go. Maybe no, now he's 3 pixels from the screen border. So now he's still bobbing between 0 and 8. So, okay. The real problem is that he can be on the edge because of how subpixels work. He can be on the edge between 8 and 0. Every problem that we have had with this is because he's on the edge between 8 and 0. So actually, fuck this. Fuck all of this. We don't want the 10 option. We don't want this. We don't want this. And we do want to figure out a solution to this. This is all we want to do, really. This is really all we want to do. The problem with putting the boost here is that he will bob between them and it doesn't work. The problem with putting the boost here is that he gets out of sync. That's the problem. If he's on 1D, no, if it's, this is what it should be. If he is on 1E, no wait, the smallest one under this. If it's on 1D, he can bob between them. If we put in the boost, Or he can do that if we put in the boost, but he will be synced. If we don't put in the boost... Fuck, man. Fuck, man. Damn, this works when he starts. The camera and the boss both spawn with 0 subpixels, right? So... Okay. We go to this code here, stop. Why doesn't it matter what we... Oh, man. Okay, so like adding... So it's like half a subpixel too far forward when this happens. So I guess what we should do is just x sub. We add 80 to this. And we subtract 1 from this. No, we subtract from this as well. So we should subtract. And then we take x high. So we move him. We just move him 8 subpixels, so half a pixel to the left. This is so janky. Will this even work? I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't know any of this shit. It should work, but that's what I thought about all of these ideas. No! No! It doesn't work! I'm really being the worst version of me when I do this shit. Why doesn't it work? Why? He keeps bobbing. He's still bobbing. He is still bobbing. He's still a subpixel too far forward. How? How is that happening? How is that possible? If we do nothing, he's in that position. If we subtract a subpixel, he's also in that. How are they the same? How can they be the same? How can they be the same? Okay, what if we just... Okay, look, if we remove this, we just don't do anything here. It's still the same. It's still the same. He does this blah 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 blah. And then here, it's still the same. It's still the same. It's the exact same. He's half a pixel too far forward. It's the exact same. It's the exact fucking same. And if we do this, we move him half a pixel back. It doesn't make a damn difference. Come on, bro. Jet boost me, bro. Do it, you coward. Okay, check this out. It's the exact same. Still half a pixel too far forward. It's the exact same. It's the exact same. Okay, I have a new idea. I have a new idea. And this is my worst idea yet. But it might work. It might actually work. So let's go up here again. No, I'm not angry. What are you talking about? Let's go and find the walk code. And I guess when we are on 8 speed, here, when it decides it should move 8 speed. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Here. Attack? Is it? Yeah, here. It's actually an attack. Interesting. We don't use speed. Fuck speed. Speed sucks. We're not gonna use speed. Instead, we're just gonna do this. Let's see, like that. Like that. That's all we're gonna do. We're just gonna snap him to that position on the screen. I don't even care. That's what we're gonna do. That's all. That's it, folks. Check this out. He moves forward. He stops. Now it doesn't even use. It doesn't even use speed. It doesn't even use speed. It's just glued to the camera. The only problem we're gonna have is when he like walks normally into these. You can see they don't get any speed because he doesn't have any speed. So what we're going to do, what do I call it? Break block maybe? Nope. Of course that would make too much sense. Shatter block? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh right, it's like generate brick pieces or something. Spawn brick piece here. Here. I guess we. Oh right, this is interesting. This means that 8 becomes 0, right? BNE. If it's 0, then we use it as 10. Interesting. This works. Okay, awesome. We're awesome. We rule. We totally did it. I kind of want to eat now. I'm really hungry. Do I just eat on stream? I don't know. I hate eating while I'm coding because I don't know, it just feels gross eating with a keyboard around. It feels like my keyboard gets nasty. Do I just take a break? Can you even do that? Probably, right? I have no idea. Do I just keep going? Do I just eat anyway? Fuck, man. I'm gonna keep going for a little bit. Then I might take a break. Let's see here. Let's see here. No, actually, I am going to. I'm gonna take a break. Then I guess I'll cut this part out of the VOD. Cut the break out. Let's see what happens. This is interesting for me. I don't actually know